What's going on, guys? For today's video, we got a Supreme Spring Summer 25 Week 3 live cop. Before we get into it, I will say, you obviously know I'm in a new place right now. I got a huge video coming here pretty soon. I don't want to leak it, but I mean, as you can see where I'm at, you probably know what video is going to be coming soon. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you can check that out. And I think I said this last week where I said last week was my worst live cop ever. This might take the cake and this might be the new worst live cop ever. I still wanted to make the video for you guys because obviously it's box logo week. I don't even want to go for the box logo because, as I'm sure most of you know, if it's a long sleeve or a crew neck, they almost never do anything. And even in today's market, the box logos just don't really do anything anyway. So I don't even really want to go for it, but because of the video, we're gonna go for it. But my number one most wanted item, which I'm sure a lot of you could probably see this coming, is gonna be the license plate. And that thing's only $36. I don't know why, but that seems kind of cheap to me. Maybe I'm tripping though. But we're gonna go for that, and I find it funny that the license plate and the box logo are the two most typed items, so I don't know if that's gonna be a terrible idea to try to get them in the same cart. And I honestly think that's all I kinda wanna go for. So like I said, this is a terrible live cop because if I wasn't gonna go for the box logo for the video, I probably would just have went for the license plate and that would have made for an awful video. Because even for once, I don't even really wanna go for any of these hats. There is a camo license plate hat, I don't really wanna go for that, and I feel like there's not really anything either for me to talk about that I even think is cool. I mean, obviously the varsity jackets, but it is a small week because the week is highlighted from the box logos. But before we jump into that, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. We have these Sudden Cowboy hoodies dropping next Friday, so make sure you follow us on Instagram or click all the links in the description down below to stay up to date for when that is dropping. You can also sign up for our email list and text message list on the website. So if you don't want to miss out on this, make sure you sign up for that and make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. But let me cue everything up and let's jump into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. Obviously last week wasn't anything too crazy. I think again I didn't spend anything, and I even said in the video I was going to be a terrible live cop, and it was. This studded jacket is still in stock though, which I find honestly that's kind of crazy this is still in stock. I thought this was sick, but I mean I'm not buying this for $400. This also seems like something that should have dropped in the winter and they probably would have sold out of this, but for me personally, I didn't want to pick that up. And then what was that other thing? I already kind of forgot what it was. Oh, this knife. But wow, that's also still in stock. So I guess if I change my mind, I might be able to get that, even though they sometimes take off the collabs. And the pink hat is sold out, so that's good because that's the hat, one of the hats that I got, and then a few of these. But obviously these usually sit in stock for the whole season. Yeah, I honestly think this was a sleeper that I completely missed out on. I think this was the first thing that sold out too, so it wasn't even on my radar. So that was probably an L for me. I forgot to look this up too because I wanted to see if that was reselling at all. All right, we got 10 seconds left, so I'm assuming the site is about to crash since it's box logo. And I didn't even check, are these things even reselling? Because I would be surprised if they are. But okay, we are live on the live cop. I'm gonna go for brown, just made up the decision. Might be a terrible idea. Here we go, I'm just gonna add XL. We're gonna go back, hit the accessories. Please let you get more than one license plate. No, you can only get one. And then here we go. We're going right through. We are going right through. What is this to look like the example image? Bro, none of these are even a turtle, bro. Oh, I think they meant that was a cookie and I just completely messed up. Okay, they let me through though. And now we wait here. Hopefully not for 30 minutes. But we got the license plate. We got the XL in the washed brown colorway. If I get this box logo, I might even keep this because I really like the brown, but I probably should have went for the large if I was gonna keep it. I don't know why I went for XL. That was kind of just a split decision. Hopefully, oh, no way. Wow, box logo is already gone, bro. Not even a minute, but okay, that's fine because I really just want the license plate. Am I really about to pay all of this shipping right now? All of this shipping for a freaking license plate. I should have just added more stuff to the cart. This is hilarious that I'm even doing this. No. Oh no. Can't even process. What even just happened? Oh, this is not good. Am I really about to lose a license plate? Guys, that was literally less than a minute before that sold out. And now I can't even get the license plate. Okay, wait, we might be through here. Am I processing the license plate? We got it. At least we got the number one item that I wanted. And I'm not gonna lie, that was insane. That went right through of it being sold out. Usually I'm in the line for like 30 minutes. You were right, that literally was non-existent on the website. That was crazy. Let's just go back and look though before I end this, and let's see how the other ones are looking. So brown must be completely gone, yeah. Black is still here, up to a large, but I mean, we're probably still gonna sit in the queue. And all of these are actually in stock besides brown. So I guess if I didn't go for that, maybe I could've got one, but like I said, I didn't even wanna get this anyways. But the wash black is pretty cool though. Definitely would have been my second favorite. I might even be able to get through on that, but like I said, I don't really want to get it. And then lastly, let me just see if this sold out. Still in stock. I wish you could have got two. I mean, obviously I don't need two, but you know what, actually? me get this out of here. I kind of want a second one of these, but is this gonna be stupid? Might sell out by then. What is still on this site that I could get? Okay, still showing. They got the gray. Did I not know about this? I did not know about this. I think I'm messing around too much and this is gonna sell out, but I can't think of the other thing that I wanted to grab. $48 too short from getting, and this is not gonna be enough and I don't wanna get that. Dang, is this gonna be kind of dumb to get? Oh, we're actually exactly at 250. License plate might be gone and it's actually kind of wild that we have to still sit in the queue for this. There's just a bunch of random things I wanted to get, but we got the free shipping if this goes through. Kind of made the live cop a little better since I wasn't just going for the one thing. Honestly, kind of surprised that the license plate is still just sitting here. How we get right through on that first one, bro? Now we're just gonna sit here, really? I don't wanna sit here for all this random stuff. I didn't even really want this. No way, we're really just gonna sit here this long for this stuff. Oh, that's what I was gonna see, if the license plate is showing sold out on the phone, so I'm not just wasting my time here. Obviously, if the license plate goes, I'm not gonna go for any of these other things. It's still showing us in stock. Maybe I should see if I can get in the queue on my phone too. No, we're still on the line on the phone, so that was probably a complete waste. But I guess I'll leave them both to see what happens. But we're still just sitting. I think I've already been sitting for 2 minutes in this. Still just waiting. Maybe I should just single card the license plate. I don't know if that was the issue. But it's still showing that it's in stock on my phone and on the laptop. No way though, because I'm pretty sure I've been in line for like 3 minutes now. Maybe even 4 minutes. Just for the license plate. I don't want the video to run this long for a second license plate.
Bro, about to make a 20-minute video about a license plate.
Honestly, no way. Come on. Yeah, we're already at 8 minutes on the screen recording, so this is kind of wild. Oh, we got through. We got through. The thing didn't come up though this time. Oh, and I still have to pay the shipping. This is crazy. It literally says free shipping over $250, but it has to be $251 to get the free shipping. Bro, we're going back. That's a terrible. No, that's gonna be gone. I'm gonna have to go right in the queue. I'm not paying shipping on that. That is crazy, bro. Absolutely not. Let me remove this, because I did get through on my phone, but now we're making a split decision change. Oh, they let me actually write through though when I changed it, and now we got the free shipping. So we are back in business. We got it. We got 2 license plates. Yeah, you were right. I can't believe I just made like a 20-minute video about a license plate. That's crazy. Obviously, I'm gonna do a lot of editing, get a lot of this out of here, but the license plate is still in stock. So let me end the screen recording right here. So that is gonna do it for my spring summer 25 week 3 live cop. I got the thing that I wanted. I'm not even upset about the box logo. Like, I was even talking off camera. I didn't even want to go for this. I was specifically going for it for the video. I don't really like the long sleeves or the crew necks when it comes to the box logo, so it's not anything that I really wanted to go for. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked it up. And again, before I go, make sure you follow me and my brand Sudden on Instagram. All of the links and information will be in the description down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I really hope this isn't the first live cop of mine that you're seeing. So if you are interested in other live cops, I got a whole playlist on the channel and I think it is linked down below as well. I also got a bunch of shorts on the channel if you want to check those out as well too. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully actually back in my regular place, and these last 2 weeks have been crazy, but I still want to give the video for you guys. So thank you for sticking around. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you picked up anything from today's drop. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.